Today, we are going to delve into the in-depth analysis of the classic power source of Cummins, the 6BT5.9 diesel engine assembly. What are its performance advantages and applicable vehicle types? Next, let's explore this product together. The 6BT5.9 is a Cummins medium horsepower diesel engine with a straight cylinder design, a 5.9-liter displacement, and adopts turbocharging and intercooler technologies. The assembly includes a complete power system, cylinder block, crankshaft, piston, fuel system, cooling system, etc., and is renowned for its durability and low fuel consumption. The 6BT5.9 engine assembly is a diesel engine mainly used to provide power. Cummins 6BT5.9 engine can be used in different equipment such as excavators, generators, trucks. Wide industry compatibility, suitable for various industries such as building material stores, manufacturing plants, machinery repair shops, farms, retail, construction machinery, energy and mining, etc.